Achi we come die about being Rakra election hili Ukrul Phungyer Chingai constituencies li nganinki kuchiping nomination file sangarok haira 45 Chingai NBB candidate Ningam Chamrewi campaign hapok haira BJP na ngakai khang kahai election manifesto ngaranda leida Union Minister Bhupender Yadav na hanga Lekhyang Tor achu the Tangkhul Express we pau Ringphawon Zimik na pamidalay pau ping may sa ay na nganangrumsa Rakra election hili Ukrul Phungyer Chingai constituencies li nganinki kuchiping nomination file sangarok haira 45 Chingai wi BJP candidate MK Presho Shimrei NPP candidate Ningam Chamroy INC candidate Sword Vashum NPF candidate MLA Kushim Vashum 44 Ukrul wi NPF candidate Ramwiva BJP candidate Somatai Shaiza Kala 43 Phungyer JDU candidate Ungnau Shangasar Atumna Aya nomination Misang Haira 43 Phungyer Assembly constituency with NBF candidate HAC Chairman Leisio Keshing Kala 44 Ukrul Assembly constituency with MLA Alfred Kangam Arthur Anina nomination Mamisang Ranga nomination Misang Khawai Akamana Kanawa Zimik Shona 45 Chingai election nganinki da khlai NPP candidate Ningam Chamrewi campaign hapok haira achon thang halangli philan khangga aina ngasoda campaign hagupok rani khuika ka haina Ningam Chamroi na yarwi shepa sara da nganinga ka hili katom lagra da Chingai kendrawi khung ngatei te de meeting thuruk langdana rani chili wazanga chia Ningam Chamroi na khamatuili kahang Sarkar wi Karin good governance welfare administration kalakatha da yarwi rin ngacham than aina ringrumra khala kachi hi awi Karina chia od kasa katong hi yarwi jangda khoka sa da ngasan wa salaga jadwa laksa kachi hi la Chamroi na hangsang NBB candidate Ningam Chamroi wi election campaign od manga khwiwa maman khawai chief agent Shokkhai khayina sada lai chia Kala Khangatei Deputy Agents Aina Star Campaigners Pingla Yarili Chakmai Chithei Khami Aina Ngasoda Otpam Horsang Mihaira NPP Wimi Bijoy Shatsang Daniel Yangya Yumi Horam Achan Ngakang Khusem Pagli Kala Shokkhai Khayi Athumnala Yarili Kasat Sangda Khoka Sada Ningam Chamroili Katom Laga Chingai Kendra hi apong Psycho Rele Malinglak Aina Lengasak Laksa Kachihi Vausang Rokhaira Achiwi election hiwiwang BJP na ngakhaikhang kahai election manifesto ngarandalai Kala Otsak Aina Masaki Kachi Tungashit Mamilak Mara da Union Minister Bhupender Yadav na hanga State election with BJP in charge Yadav na kahang BJP na stakeholders ngatei te dali hosang laga manifesto sem khawai committee sem haira chia BJP na 2/3 seat samphangra kachi hangda chief minister Khipali sangasagni khala party with central board na twitak tanawra da Yadav na hanga Union budget maram lila hangda scheme kathar Prime Minister's Development Initiative for Northeast Chiwi aina overall development khwira khawai Northeastern Council li shichinda implement sara chia Tangkhul kasungsang Union wi hangmati da kachishata kumpai kazib rakra mayog changwe tarik mati aina hapokda tharuk aina tangda langjin sahaira Kazib chi tosom sivina rungmida the new generation at hand kachi hina tikui sada mayonra Tangkhul kasungsang Union wi kumpai kazib chili Tangkhul nagalong wi President David K Shimrena maso sara kala United India Insurance with General Manager Yang Maso K Shimrela Wajangra chia Kumbai kazib ji kusung kharthot na mayonra kasa kusung now prayer day la phonda mayon ki kuchina Tangkhul kusung sang Union kazib chili Kumbai Fellowship Kushung Arts and Culture Program, Kala Kumpai Chan Gazegla, Singka Babamra Chia. Arts and Cultural Program Chili, Kushung Artist Ping Horiola Kushung, Semi Jong Kushung, Tonray Kushung, Wordam Kushung, Kala Peace Kushung Atumbing Hina, Tanda Raneji Kwikara Chia. Tangkhul Kushung Shang Union Wi, Pungvu Ping, Ram Wi, Minganing Ping, Shanau Kala Youth Wing Wi, Katana Ping na Mushoila, Rami Serlo da Kushung Shang, Union Wi President Lungre Kushung Aina, Secretary Todd Ong Kushung na, Kangahot Sadalay. Kazip Chili COVID SOP Mayonra Kajila Hangsanga. Nagaland Wag NPF MLA YM Konyagli UDA Cabinet Minister Sang Sakhaira. Otpam wi tuing a shit aya kwida YM Konyagna Nagaland wi Forest Minister Sahairo Governor Jagdish Mukhi Nagaland wi Forest Minister Ji Chongsen Mogung Sungum Changna Sakasana Ka October 2020 kum Mawan Saga Highway Aina Otpam Ji Majipuila Leisada aya NPF MLA YM Konyagna Rakashin Kasana India Ngaleli Karaisada Manipur Assembly Constituencies Pangawi Polling Station 487 Shamati Hangjishada Shinili Shinau officials Magna Yang Sankida Lay Assembly Constituencies Li Ball officials Shinau Magna manage Saki Kuchihi Ajana Karing Sara the Chief Election Commissioner Sushil Chandra Nahanga Kalajit Hada Kangaranji Shinau Khanmet Miki Kuchipingli Comfortable Experience Sampanga Saksa Kuchina the Hanga Hangda Klay Shinau officials Shinau Magna Yang Sanki Kuchi constituencies Pingchi Singjamai Thobal Yai School Wangkai Kala Churachambur Hiping Hina EC Sushil Chandra Hangda Manipur model polling stations Shaka Tharada Phanga Haimira Kala polling stations Pingli minimum facilities Ter Mai toilet ramps Hikata Haimi Kawai officials Pingli Jizami Hairo Chia. State Assembly election Hiwiwang polling station Tingkhani Shajiko Hang Turukda Jishat Kada Laidalai. COVID Wiwang check Kuching Sada polling stations Avavuli Mi Tingka Shapanga Aina Chakai Kasaji Tingka Shakani Hang Pangamang Aina Ling Sagra Chihaira. Polling station the multi entry aina exit points Haimi Pulungra Kuchila Hanga Polling Atamli Station 2400 li webcasting later Kala webcasting Masa Kapailina offline videography aina Sara Chihaira Manipur Assembly election phase Karewi polling Zimik show Mathang Ungta Hauda Ngchemi Kawai Kupoji Ngasan Mira the Chief Election Commissioner Sushil Chandra Nahanghaira All Manipur Christian Organization we Azingli Christian Action Committee na Maram Hiwiwang Chingri Gahai protest la Sahaira CEC Sushil Chandra Achahon State Hilikungli Zimikcho Ngchemi Kawai Podak Lay Christian leaders Pingli Ungsam Phanga Chia Podak Lay Ji Mangana Sangmyaka agitation Zakshi Kamai Sahara Kachila Christian Action Committee Jina Hangmatin Kahaina CEC na Delhi li Kahai laga maram jing sanmira da kahangna Lakhawa candidate ping na file sagahai affidavit ji Income Tax Department verify sahira Kala candidate ping na affidavit li mi kasang assets value ji mashung saya da CEC ji na hanga State Hili Semhaida Kale National Sports University Wiwang Shokarna Achurashung da lupa 87.65 crore release sahira chia Maram hi Achahon Sports Minister Anurag Thakur na Lok Sabha le kahangna National Sports University Wiwang Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports na 87.65 crore mika hai jili lupa 5.49 crore na 2021 to 22 wili kamina Kalachi main campus sem khawai aina ngasoda temporary campus Wiwang la changa da Thakur na hanga National Sports University hi Sports Sciences, Sports Technology, Sports Coaching Education Mikhawai, Kala Sports Disciplines wi National Training Center la ngasa khawai sem kahaina. Itumna Paningung Pai, Manipur National Sports University li regular staff akala malayla chadalai. la council board leiran la malaimana la university china saran otngurut masala leida NGO apunba imagi macha singna makhamaya phongshok da Prime Minister Narendra Modi le memorandum la miwa haidalai. Sports Minister Tangkhul na kahang Sports Authority of India Training Center with Extension Centers hangchiko kada leidalai. Jili Khelo India Centers hangturuk regular schools tharada National Sports Talent Contest with azingli leidalai chia. Extension Centers kuchunga schools li haimiya Kala state level Khelo India Center vertical with azingli residential facilities khalai Kendriya Vidyalayas Matina Sport School sada leida Thaguna hanga. State level Khelo India Center vertical with azingli boarding, lodging, education training, competition exposure, medical higatata expenses wivang shorkana athlete avavuli lupa 1,50,000 kum kachida mida khlaina the sports minister china hanga. Assam with Chief Minister Neda Convener Himanda Biswa Sharma Aya State hili ungda ajwe election ni BJP na yuilagra kachi ung hang haira. BJP na solid majority khwai sada khlaina kachi hangda. NPP li alliance kasala ariri darka masamana la BJP na party kateli depend masamana da Sharma na hanga. Assam Chief Minister Sharma na Imphal li ungkhamatuli union budget wi maramli la phaida Prime Minister Divine Scheme china Northeast Economy wivang kaphang sara kala Northeast li sarkar na apong saikor li rei kasang hakasang khira khwai sada khalaina da hanga. COVID-19 ari anatangli kapka kapai spray Glenmark Pharmaceuticals Limited na launch sahaira. Arichi Drug Controller General of India na Miami kahaina. Fabi spray ko nitric oxide nasal spray ji Glenmark aina Canadian pharmaceutical company Sanodize na sem kashok na. Fabi spray ji COVID-19 kagaza adult patient kazat mersang mai kida risk chunglak aina khalaping wivang na chia. Chili vaccine makaka patients comorbidities khalaping kala khamai patients ping wivang na da hanga. Fabi spray ji kakap tharan ithumi nasal mugosali nabda china physical kala chemical barrier sada virus akuji mapam khawai la lung song spread masa khawai khamira da pharmaceutical company china hanga. Ayawi DSO report atishu da Ukhrul district li COVID positive miya khala masam phangmana. Ariri Mingchan sada take a high active case hangmati da khani laide lai chia. COVID second wave khara hili Ukhrul district li COVID positive sambang ka hai hi thingkha shajiko hangmati da chiko kashung haira. Lotluida khamataya pauping. Rakra election hili Ukhrul Phungyer Chingai constituencies li nganinki kuchiping nomination file sangarok haira. 45 Chingai NBB candidate Ningam Chamrewi campaign hopok haira. BJP na ngakai khang kahai election manifesto ngaranda leida Union Minister Bhupender Yadav na hanga. Achu pau henang changhairo pau ngana da kleina tum psycho really ring pa kala khama haya Zimik sa serano.